Here's the thing about solar panels. They're like your favorite slow cooker recipe. Set them up, and they pretty much take care of themselves. Zero moving parts means you're signing up for a low-maintenance relationship. Rain and snow often do most of the heavy lifting to keep your panels clean. In dusty environments, solar panels may accumulate debris. However, a simple rinse with a hose is typically sufficient to keep them functioning optimally. It's an easy and effective way to maintain energy production levels. Some homeowners choose to install Critter Guard to protect those panels from leaves and debris. This can help maintain the cleanliness and efficiency of your solar setup. While professional cleaning services are available, they're often not necessary. The cost of these services, compared to the marginal increase in energy production they provide, usually doesn't justify the expense. Solar panel maintenance is straightforward and for the most part effortless. It's a practical aspect of owning solar panels, ensuring that they continue to provide clean energy with minimal effort on your part.